Hi and welcome back to my channel.
I joined the Adventures 2-week group trip to Costa Rica, exploring the entire country from coast to coast.
In this first episode of Lennyies in Costa Rica, we are exploring the Caribbean town Puerto Viejo. Day 1. After having a welcome dinner with the group in San Jose the night before, we woke up around 6 a.m. to head to our first destination, Puerto Viejo. We stopped at Rio Pacuare and did whitewater rafting. This was definitely the highlight of the day. I even had an involuntary swim in the river. It was very dramatic, or it felt very dramatic, but everything went okay. It was an experience. So after the whitewater rafting, we arrived in our hostel in Puerto Viejo. We ended the day with a group dinner at a Caribbean restaurant at the beach, and I had some amazing grilled fish with, of course, plátanos, so that was really good. Day 2. This was a full day activity. Because of jet lag, I woke up around 5:30 and took an amazing morning walk along the beach. It was so quiet and nice. Also, there were a lot of turkeys there in the morning. I don't know what they were doing, but they were flying around. And I also went to the grocery shop and got some budget-friendly breakfast before the big day with a full day activity. We started with a visit to Cahuita National Park. We're lucky to see a sloth on very close hold. Definitely a must-visit place in Puerto Viejo. Be aware that it was quite hot and humid, a lot of mosquitoes. Even though I basically showered in mosquito repellent, I did get a few bites. Next, we had lunch at a local soda. We got a delicious casado. Next stop was a visit to the Watsi reservation. Here we got to learn about the Bribri indigenous people. Costa Rica is home to around 12,000 Bribri indigenous people. A Bribri family showed us how they make chocolate.
Oh my god, it's very strange.
So this experience was very wholesome, very cool, although it did feel a little bit touristy.
Costa Rica wala tayong waterfall. I can't see anything.
We ended day 2 with a group dinner. I had a delicious Caribbean style casado. Yet again, I love the casados. There was also a parade in the streets. I think it's called Fiesta de Luz or something. Day 3 in Puerto Viejo. The third day was a relaxing bike and beach day. At Punta Uva, you could really feel the Caribbean vibes.
¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa, gordo? ¿Usted? ¿Qué, mi amor?
Veldig fint her.
Lastly, we had our last dinner in Puerto Viejo. Puerto Viejo was really nice and chill, small town. Definitely a must visit if you're in Costa Rica. You gotta see the Caribbean side. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. See you in the next Costa Rica episode. Bye. Pura vida. Day 3. 3? 3. 3. 3. Bake. Oh my god. Jeg klarer ikke tenke i dag.